them are not human being. Them against God. Them are devil disciple. Me don't want to see them. Once you align with them, we have burn you. Boy, Romeich, go sit down. Batty man style you have up. I want to you. I beg no friend from no batty boy.
Boy, and box up your big nose in a boy. Don't listen me. You love call up my name a man law in a boy. Right? You love call up my name for get hype. You foot humble yourself, bro. Cause you know man. You know man for years. You hear me I say, bro?
Uno member if you subscribe. Big up to all the viewers, big up to all the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to Jamaica Extra, please subscribe. So recently, Footahype and Romeich got into some disagreement on the internet. And of course, they had to take to Instagram to cuss off each other, right? So we're going to talk about this, but we're going to play the clip and then we're going to talk about it in the end. Watch out now.
See them. Once you align with them, we have burn you. Boy, Romeich, go sit down. Batty man style you have up. I want to you. I beg no friend from no batty boy. No man will promote batty business. Me not beg no friend. I want to you. No friend for no money or no sponsorship or no corporate money in a business. I want to you. Think you can use that come cheat the people. Jerry badness tomorrow. I want to you. We have put some money in a Jerry cash app tomorrow. And a Jerry Zell. Make sure Jerry have money. The shit back there where act like girl can't come hype on Jerry. Jerry is straight man, he must have more money than that big idiot. Twisted batty boy there. I want to. And being them are not human being. Them against God. Them are devil disciple. Me don't want to see them. Once you align with them, we have burn you. Boy, Romeich, go sit down. Batty man style you have up. I want to. I beg no friend from no batty boy.
Yes, people. So after Footahype say all what him say, right? You know, so Romeich couldn't be quiet, right? Him can't remain quiet. Him have to answer Footahype. And you don't know so Footahype is a man where him love to chat and say what him say. And that's how him flex, right? So Romeich had to answer back, and definitely Romeich definitely send some threat Footahype with. Here I know.
Get hype. You foot humble yourself, bro. Cause you know man. You know man for years. You hear me I say, bro? That me I tell you good man. Don't draw me out, brother. You hear me I say? Because you say 90s badness or what, that have nothing to do with me. You love fast with people too much. And one day I'm gonna step on your foot the right way and humble you. You hear me I say, Dan? And me want the people them screen the cars and send this big nose boy. Remember so when you're there bum buckle like a cassava piece, man, I have to help you and make sure yo, hey boy, don't start with me here. Remember that. Cause you're hungry. Know what you do, you hear youth? Know what you do, youth. That me I tell you. See you.
Yes, people. So you hear it, Romeich make it known. So him now play, you understand? So him now back down and him make Footahype know say listen, him now in the chatting business and in the business with certain things, you understand? Him step to him. Now, I want to think about that. I mean, you know, the Footahype is a man who love talking things, them, and you know. But people, tell the truth, some people now go take it talking sitting down. You understand what I say? But you know, feel so them should take it to Instagram and cuss. You know, I feel like it's a good look. But you know, to each his own. You understand what I deal with? But I want to know what you think. I think this thing, we're not going to pick side first of all, and let me know what you think in the comments, and remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Big up.